Hi, you guys. It's me, Cody, John, and Justin. We just found this stray, vicious cat eating a bird.
It's so fucking weird.
Dude, I can hear it chew.
So can I. I saw the freaking light.
Don't sneak up on it. Ew, ew, ew. Look at the carnage.
As you see, y'all, it's trying to rape it.
I think I'm about to get sick.
Oh shit. He threw up. John just threw up. Let me film you throwing up. He's not letting me film him. Okay, sorry. Ew.
Elliot lines.
That's nasty.
Yo, man, I think we should scare that fucking damn cat away.
No, dude, it's hungry. It's cool.
So get it some fucking food.
Dude, it's eating a bird.
It's eating a fucking bird.
That's cool.
It's a fucking bird.
Ew.
See what it fucking mean, man? The fucking cat is vicious as fuck.
It looks like a demon cat.
When if we pick that shit up? When if you ever try to catch it? I'm not getting that fucking food. Find out.
I'm gonna name it Poncho. Poncho the bird-eating cat. Hi, Poncho. How you like that bird?
Now she's really dead.
Dude, it's chewing on an... Well, I think time's just about up, so bye. I'll wait for the time to run out completely. Dude, it like has blood on its lip.
Oh, I get to hit you.
Dude. Dude, you're not gonna scare it away. It's a fucking badass cat. Don't! I hope that fucking cat gets pissed off and kills you. Ow! Ow! Ow!
See how much of a pussy he is?
Oh! Look at it! Look! I'm gonna get a really close up.
Oh shit, Justin!
Dude, Justin!
He's fucking eating.
I didn't mean to.
Justin just threw a fucking rock at it. Ew.
What the throw a fucking rock at you?
It just picked it up. Ew, ew, it's gonna eat the rest of it. Ew! Ew! Oh my god!
It was on the wall.
Holy shit! No, don't disturb it. Here, let's just...